Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now we have to tap on gestures, so on the 3rd position, and choose navigation mode. Here we've got the 3-button navigation which we've got currently applied. We can customize it here just by tapping on this the settings icon. You can see that we can reorder the back button and the recent, so if you want to, you can customize it here. In order to set the gestures, we have to tap on gesture navigation, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Again, we can enter the settings, and here we can manage the digital assistant and back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now in order to get back to the previous page, we have to simply swipe our finger from the side to the center, from the left side or from the right side. If you'd like to get back to the home page directly, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that you will make a short and quick motion just like that. And if you want to open the recents, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time elongate this gesture like that, and after releasing the finger you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.